Welcome, awesome ones. I love you all. Thank you for being with me today. I am going to do a new song that I haven't tried before. So here we go. Good luck to you and good luck to me. Into the distance, a ribbon of black stretched to the point of no turning back. A flight of fancy on a windswept field, standing alone, my senses reeled. A fatal attraction is holding me fast. How can I escape this irresistible grasp? Can't keep my eyes from the circling sky. Tongue tied and twisted, just a nerve-bound misfit. Ice is forming on the tips of my wings. Unheeded warnings, I thought of everything. No navigator to find my way home. Unladen, empty, and turned to stone. A sole intention that's learning to fly. Condition grounded, but determined to try. Can't keep my eyes from the circling skies. Tongue-tied and twisted, just an earthbound misfit. Above the planet, on a wing and a prayer, my grubby halo, a vapor trail in the empty air. Across the clouds I see my shadow fly, out of the corner of my watering eye. A dream unthreatened by the morning light could blow this soul right through the roof of the night. There's no sensation to compare with this. Suspended animation, a state of bliss. Can't keep my mind from the circling sky. Tongue-tied and twisted, just an earthbound misfit. I love you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.